Good morning from California. I'm Tom Banks, the Director of Marketing here at DSPM. Unfortunately for many, the reality is a little complicated. Unless you're a 20-year veteran in emergency lighting or an engineer, you're likely to approach this topic with some trepidation, being tentative, concerned, and often overwhelmed. However, I assure you that the topic just doesn't warrant any anticipation. With 25 years of history, DSPM is a proven power solutions provider and innovator illustrated by our proprietary technology and leading-edge features like Battery Ready, our unique autonomous battery monitoring technology. Also, we're proud to be Buy American compliant, UL 924 certified, and offer a wide range of NEMA enclosures for every imaginable need and environment. At the core of DSPM's arsenal of power solutions is our innovative series of inverters, unique high-voltage power converters, and UPSs. So let's dive in and take a quick tour. Today, we're going to look under the hood of DSPM's inverters, which are offered in two types, online and standby. Our online inverters power the load 100% of the time. In doing so, your power needs are met and, more importantly, isolate your systems from the consequences of brownouts, noise, power spikes, and disturbances. In contrast, our standby inverters are at the ready in the event the utility power fails, at which time the inverter switches the power load to the battery array. Your only question is, which one is right for your application? Your decision depends on the type of load you wish to protect. If you need backup power for fluorescent lights, your standby inverters will likely do the job. However, if you need clean, uninterrupted power for your computer systems, critical medical equipment, or other power-sensitive systems, then you need to employ one of DSPM's online inverters. Each DSPM inverter solution is your power insurance that sits between the utility company's power input and your unique load. Let's walk through DSPM's technology with this simple inverter system diagram. Of importance is DSPM's functional bypass switch that allows for the transfer of the utility company's power directly to your load. More importantly, when activated, it ensures that no current is flowing through DSPM circuits, guaranteeing safe access for maintenance and service. Next on our illustration is the AC to DC rectifier stage, which converts the utility company's alternating current into direct current used to charge batteries to full and ready capacity. The next step is delivery of the rectified direct current to the inverter stage that converts the direct current into pure, clean alternating current delivered to your load. As we move through the inverter systems, we see DSPM's system control and alarm system and display. This digital computer-driven technology monitors every aspect of a DSPM inverter and swiftly determines when and if power needs to be switched to the backup batteries by way of the digital static bypass switch. Or in the event of an inverter system failure, the static bypass switch will take the inverter offline and revert to the utility provider's electrical feed. In all possible cases, DSPM's monitor keeps you informed in real time of the status of the system by way of our intuitive digital displays. To protect the integrity of DSPM systems, input, output, and batteries are all protected by circuit breakers. If you have specific output circuit breaker needs, speak with one of our in-house specialists or field representatives to learn about DSPM's flexible and dependable output circuit breaker capability. In order to appreciate how power flows through DSPM's inverters, the green line illustrates normal power flow. Note, in our online inverters, power flows through the inverter stage 100% of the time, whether from the utility company or the backup batteries, which eliminates switching delays. Finally, in the event of utility power failure, the red line shows the flow of power through the online inverter. Because this inverter is online 100% of the time, the status of the utility company's feed is invisible to your equipment or lighting since the batteries are in the power supply loop all the time. At first glance, DSPM's standby inverters look very similar to our online inverters. The only difference is how power flows through DSPM's standby inverters. Basically, during operation, illustrated by the green line, The delivery of power to your load is directly from the utility provider to your load, controlled by the solid-state static bypass switch. In the event of a power failure, illustrated by the red line, the static bypass switch quickly and seamlessly transfers to the standby batteries in 16 milliseconds or faster when needed. The good news is, systems such as lighting will never notice the transfer time. However, high-speed digital equipment may be sensitive to the short switching delays and as such may not be a candidate for DSPM standby inverters. Beginning with our sturdy industry and durable enclosures, well-organized wiring, right down to the smallest connector, every DSPM inverter is handcrafted and meticulously assembled to the strictest tolerances, all right here in America. Before a DSPM inverter leaves our factory, it is subjected to the most rigorous testing and quality control procedures available, all to assure your DSPM inverter arrives ready to operate and at the ready when needed. DSPM's mission is simple. We're committed to providing our customers the most reliable and dependable emergency power solution possible. To achieve this objective, our assembly process is highly structured and each step obsessively tracked by DSPM's proprietary manufacturing software. You can rest assured knowing that we don't just stuff components in a box, cramming them together to save a few pennies, then ship it on its merry way. Since DSPM was founded, our standards have been high and uncompromising. As such, every component is of the highest quality, optimally positioned, securely fastened, and legibly identified in order to assure maximum performance, reliability, dependability, and serviceability, traits our customers have grown to depend on and expect from DSPM. Since our name is on every inverter, you can rest assured that DSPM's commitment, quality, and reliability is unwavering. Now, let's take a look at DSPM's emergency power solutions. There are a few things in life more frightening than the thought of coming face to face with a train weighing thousands of tons. Some successfully avoid the conflict, yet others, unfortunately, lose the battle. Who can forget our Lionel trains speeding in circles under the Christmas tree or consuming our father's attention in the basement? Always with the perpetual clacking of the locomotive's wheels against the train set's tracks, burned deep in our memories are the ever-present sparks accompanied by the aroma of ozone wafting up into the air. It's the metal meeting rail phenomenon that brings us from our childhood to today. Why? Well, today, billions of Metro Rail commuters are riding to and from work on trains that are just like those of our childhood, just a lot bigger and powered by thousands of volts. Today's transit rail designers are very creative, powering electric trains on direct current, reducing the probability of multiple system failures. In doing so, they separate the train's electrical systems from the alternating current powering the city's grid. Regardless of your view on global warming, the trend toward electric rail rapid transit systems is progressing at an incredibly fast pace. Today, 15 rapid transit rail systems provide transportation for 10.4 million riders every day. Commuters can rest assured if the city's AC power goes down, rail cars will continue to move, keeping unwitting travelers from being stuck on bridges, underground, and tunnels, or just far away from their destinations. The bad news, however, is command, control, and communications don't run on direct current. In the event of a power failure, trains may continue to run, but the radios, gates, and lighting may go down, creating a very dangerous situation. Available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, DSPM's Zeus high-voltage DC to AC converter stands ready to seamlessly convert thousands of volts of direct current used to power electric rapid transit trains into usable 120 to 480 volts of alternating current to keep communications, lighting, safety, and control systems operating. Rated from 8 kVA to 32 kVA, DSPM's high voltage DC to AC converter is a powerhouse every electric rail line needs to ensure its travelers' safety. More than just believing emergency power will be there when needed, you deserve the peace of mind knowing that in an emergency, your standby power is at the ready, ensuring your building's occupants will find their way to safety thanks to well-lighted paths. DSPM's innovative, real-time battery-ready monitoring technology will keep you informed and assured that your emergency power solution is healthy and ready to respond when needed. It's 2019, and computerized smart systems are key to improving the human condition and are popping up in every imaginable situation and technology. Taking the lead in centralized emergency power monitoring is DSPM's computer-based solution, Battery Ready, providing real-time monitoring every minute of every day, ensuring emergency power is ready, healthy, and compliant with all applicable regulations. DSPM's Battery Ready technology not just ensures regulatory compliance, it reduces arduous record keeping, reporting, and just as important, the risk of injury to technicians climbing up and down ladders floor after floor throughout your building. If a problem occurs, Battery Ready will immediately alert management via email so a solution can be employed in a timely manner. DSPM is proud to provide its customers a broad spectrum of standard and optional features. Rest assured, DSPM's mission is to exceed your needs and expectations, illustrated by our robust list of standard features. You can count on DSPM meeting stringent NEMA enclosure standards, providing you the flexibility of single and three-phase units in any desired input or output voltage configuration to accommodate your needs. Just as important, all DSPM units are Buy America compliant, ensuring an easy and patriotic decision. Further, DSPM is committed to meeting our customers' needs. Toward this end, each DSPM product can be customized for every unique application. Whether it's a harsh environment enclosure or the need for more output circuit breakers, DSPM can answer your needs. Regardless of where you are, DSPM support capabilities and services are available both remotely or on-site. To guarantee maximum uptime and dependability, DSPM's battery monitoring assures you dependable operation when emergency power is needed, and our patented environmental control modules guarantee full light output in the event of an outage and physical switches have been disabled or turned off, such as in a theater. DSPM knows its customers' needs and their desire for peace of mind. Rest assured, DSPM's products are affordable, backed by 25 years of experience, and are Buy America compliant. Just as important is the fact that DSPM's products are flexible, backed by a 10-year battery program, and are supported by our on-site and remote startup and service solutions. From a regulatory perspective, DSPM's real-time monitoring, Battery Ready, and our seismic rated options ensure your DSPM power solutions are sturdy, ready, and compliant. Ensuring you that often elusive peace of mind, DSPM brings decades of experience to the table, providing responsive and professional pre- and post-sale support and service, a proven commitment to sharing our wealth of knowledge and experience, and we are proud that we are Buy America compliant. Remember, if you have any questions, you can always reach us at DSPM by calling our toll-free number 877-377-6769 or email us at the addresses on the screen. All of us are at the ready and happy to assist you. Once again, from all of us at DSPM, thank you for your time and interest. We wish you good luck, prosperity, and dependable power when it matters. Goodbye.